Welcome to Quiz Splash, where emojis meet your brain. Can you crack the clues, guess the words, and beat the quiz before time runs out? Play along, pause if you need, and drop your answers in the comments. Subscribe for more fun. Now let the fun begin.
Sun plus flower makes sunflower. Can you guess the next one? Foot and ball combined together. Can you guess the next one? Notebook, note and book form notebook. Can you guess the next one? Toothbrush, tooth with brush means toothbrush. Can you guess the next one? Rainbow, rain and bow create rainbow. Can you guess the next one? Bedroom, bed inside a room. Can you guess the next one? Cupcake, cup and cake together. Can you guess the next one? Firefly, fire plus fly. Can you guess the next one? Mailbox, mail goes in a box. Can you guess the next one? Airport, air meets a port. Can you guess the next one? Playground, play happens on ground. Can you guess the next one? Pancake, pen used for cake. Can you guess the next one? Moonlight, light from the moon. Can you guess the next one? Snowman, man made of snow. Can you guess the next one? Backpack, pack worn on back. Can you guess the next one? Skateboard, board used for skating. Can you guess the next one? Waterfall, water that falls. Can you guess the next one? Lighthouse, house with a light. Can you guess the next one? Seashore, shore by the sea. Can you guess the next one? Homework, work done at home. Can you guess the next one? Bookstore store full of books. Can you guess the next one? Keyboard board of keys. Can you guess the next one? Sunglasses glasses for the sun. Can you guess the next one? Wristwatch watch worn on wrist. Can you guess the next one? Sidewalk walk on the side. Can you guess the next one? Birthday day of birth. Can you guess the next one? Dragonfly fly named Dragon. Can you guess the next one? Cheesecake cake made with cheese. Can you guess the next one? Haircut hair being cut. Can you guess the next one? Teacup cup for tea. Can you guess the next one? Handshake hands that shake. Can you guess the next one? Doorbell bell on a door. Can you guess the next one? Toothpaste paste for teeth. Can you guess the next one? Starfish fish shaped like star. Can you guess the next one? Earthquake earth that shakes. Can you guess the next one? Railroad road made of rails. Can you guess the next one? Classroom room for class. Can you guess the next one? Postcard card sent by post. Can you guess the next one? Basketball ball for basket. Can you guess the next one? Stopwatch watch used to stop. Can you guess the next one? Headphones phones for head. Can you guess the next one? Newspaper paper with news. Can you guess the next one? Sandcastle, castle made of sand. Can you guess the next one? Snowflake, small piece of snow. Can you guess the next one? Flashlight, light that flashes. Can you guess the next one? Bedtime, time to sleep. Can you guess the next one? Snowball, ball made of snow. Can you guess the next one? Sunlight, light from the sun. Can you guess the next one? Popcorn, corn that pops. Can you guess the next one? Fireworks, fire that works.
That's today's Quiz Splash. Drop your score in the comments, like, subscribe, and see you in the next quiz.